Next, the relatives. Relatives po ng bride, ni Irene. Sige po, please come forward, lahat po. Relatives, nasa na po yung mga cousins, titas of the bride. Cousins, nasa na po? Please come forward. Right side, nasa ang relatives. Next, to be followed by the immediate family members ng groom, ni Marlon, yung mga brothers or sisters, and the parents. Immediate family members, ni Marlon, please come forward. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now the members of the family.